Yeah. So my name is Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Rondo Technology Company. So in past 2 months, we have been encountering or encounter some difficulties with Neptune Network, and one of the things that I always tell you is that I don't think they scammed us. It's business. Either you win or you lose. But I've introduced a lot of people into Neptune Network, and me and my team have decided to fish the people behind Neptune Network, and that is what we are about to start. So join the journey and let's take you from the start to the ending for you to know the people behind Neptune Network. I don't. It's Ponzi scheme. Yeah, it's Ponzi scheme. Yeah. So Neptune Network Ponzi scheme, and the reason why people were saying that, why now? Why are you trying to bring them to justice right now? You see, let me tell you one thing. I've already told you all these things. There's no easy way to make money online. So if you want the easy path to make money online, then you have to be ready to face things like this, because it's not like smooth on this journey. If you want a smooth journey, then you have to learn a skill like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, crypto trading, forex trading. That one you're cool and safe to go. But if you want an easy way to make money online, you have to be ready to face things like this. So in this journey, we'll be fishing out the people behind Neptune Network, and we'll bring them to justice, because some people have lose their money inside and some people have also make money from it. That one we won't lie. So we are starting, and today we will be starting with a plan, how we will plan our things. And I'm planning this thing with 11 people so far, but if you are a tech person, a tech team, you can link up, then we will collaborate on this thing. So let's start. So today's plan is how we will start our fishing, because right now we know that they are from Pakistan. So we have to start from searching the names, and you have some of the names too in our chambers. So we were starting a lot of things with it. So join the journey and let's bring some people to justice, because like people make money from it and people also have lose money in it. So let's start and let's do something with it. I'm Ken Rives, and join the journey and let's enjoy.
Dropshipping to selling products online. My income's brand new. Creating content and building a site. My online empire is taking flight. Yeah, making money online, it's the way.
So here I was planning on how we can fish them out with a team. So as I've already told you, I have a team of 11. 4 in Ghana and the rest are across the globe. So at this moment I was planning on how we can fish them out. And we came to conclusion on how we can do it. So the thing is, we are embarking on this journey with you also. If you have any idea about it, you can leave a comment so that we can know what to do next. This one is inhaler because I'm having a small headache, so I have to put on a rub inhaler to make myself cool and comfortable. As you can see that I'm talking from my head, I'm having some headache. So I was communicating with them through Zoom calls. And we were talking about how we can do it. And one thing about this, that we have shared the journey, we have shared the tasks among ourselves. So people are good at the tech side, the hacking side and everything, yeah, so that everything will move fast and you can bring them to justice, because people have been losing their money and people have lost their money in it, and some people have also earned money from it. Yeah, so at this point we have some names that I have to put them down so that we'll do a background check on them to know where exactly they are from, because right now it's not only Pakistan, we have Pakistan and Chinese. Yeah, these are people behind the Neptune Network. Yeah, some are from Pakistan and some are from China, and they came to collaborate together. So right now their IP address are some way. So that is what we are doing right now. Yeah, and because my team are also smart and intelligent, I know will bring you good results, and you may get your money back, even part of your money back, or maybe we put them into justice. Yeah, so this is how we're doing.
Money online, I'm living my best life. Yeah, living it's fast, the opportunities too. You can make a fortune with a laptop and a clue. So don't be afraid to take the leap.
At this moment, Charlie, we've been doing a lot of thinking, a lot of thoughts and everything. Yeah, because these people are smart. They have changed their location and everything. The app, they have changed everything. So they're very smart on this journey. And they are giving us a tough time, but we will know what to do next. So you stay with us and enjoy the journey as we bring Neptune Network founders down. Yeah. At this moment, I'm tired. Charlie, a lot of thinking, a lot of stuff. Yeah. So let me take you to the board and let me show you how we are planning to bring them down. Yeah. So right now, the first one is the Google Map. Yeah. Right now, we have to trace them through Google Map, because right now we have some of the names and some of the IP address, and after that you follow the social media. Yeah, that's because right now we have some of the names and some of their numbers. So we'll take it through our Facebook, Telegram, and YouTube. And X, yeah. So X, the person who created the X account, to we have fished the person IP address. Yeah. So the third one is the phone number. Yeah, we have 2 phone numbers that chat me on Telegram that I have to do videos about Neptune Network. So I have those phone numbers that will help us in our journey. And the next one is the website IP address. Right now we have several IP address, but we will try to fish all this IP address out and know the right one. Yeah, because it seems they used some secret this thing, so you can't fish the IP address out. Yeah, so but we will do it. Yeah. So thinking about the next thing, so if you also a tech person, you can also drop what we need in the comment section. Yeah, and we will need their app IP address. The app IP address. We will need their app IP address as well. Because it seems all the apps and website, they use VPN, so their location are a very bit hidden, but we know how to do. And the last one will be their TRC wallet address, the wallet address that received your funds. We can also use that one to trace them, so we'll be using that one too, yeah, to trace them as well. Yeah. So we're using their TRC wallet address to trace them as well. Yeah. Yeah, so today is the planning day, and this is what we'll be using for our day one. Yeah, so we'll bring you the day one thing very soon. Yeah, so you just join us and let's get it together.